check-in area, main lobby, shop, games area and relaxation. A 5-star all-inclusive Montego Bay cocktail bar comes into huge area for dining and relaxing. Got 5 pools here looking out, including some table tennis, drinks bar, it's very windy here at the moment. The Exodus is the main stage, that was the secondary stage, and here's the seafront at the Montego Bay. A couple of the pools and routes a pool bar, water sports, little island out there. So the hotel's located by the white popular sandy beach here in Montego Bay. The hotel has over 800 rooms. It's a 5-star all-inclusive, adults only. Plenty of water sports, paragliding, paddleboarding, jet skis, sailing. Just come down onto the white sandy beach. There's another hotel over there, looking back at the grey skies. The hotel here. And right tucked away in the corner for a bit of privacy by the sea, you can have an outside massage here underneath the canopy. Some of the foods today on the lunch menu. So thanks for watching our trip here to the Riu Montego Bay in Jamaica, and we hope you all enjoyed our little tour round, and thanks for watching. Bye for now, guys.